G'day and welcome to Swift Street. Today's the day. We finally get to hit the track and see how we go. So stick around and see what happens. Yes, you heard me right. Today we're competing in my first motorsport event at Mount Cooperabung hill climb. This has been a long awaited moment. I'm so excited I can barely keep it in. There's a lot happening around here right now, so why don't we wind back the clock a bit and see what I had to do beforehand. Before I could hit the track, I had a small but important list of things to take care of, including fitting a fire extinguisher, adding identification and safety stickers, and installing a tow hook. Then it was time to check over the critical safety components of the car. I'll cover all of that in more detail in a future episode, but for now, let's get back to the action. Alright, so let's see what today has in store. Shortly after arriving, we go through scrutineering and competitor sign-on. And then after that, we have a driver's briefing, and then it's time to race. The track, an old section of public road, starts with a sleeping right-hander, followed by a fast chicane and a long straight. At the end of the straight, it tightens up to a left hairpin, immediately into a right-hand sweeper, and then it's a run to the finish line. If I can hold it all together, I might be able to put down a decent time. Alright, now let's get ready to race. Here I am, waiting for my turn. I'm second in the running order. The car in front of me launches hard, spins the tyres but still puts down a decent time. Now it's my turn. I'm called to the line. The wedge goes behind the wheel, the nerves kick in. Here we go. The first run's out of the way, put down a decent time, about 40 seconds. I was a bit nervous, but now that's out of the way. Let's see how we go in run 2. Run 2 was better. I picked up about 2 seconds. I reckon there's still room for improvement though. Just finished the third run. I was quicker again. I ran a 37. It's time for lunch, so let's see what we can do after a break. Run 4 felt great. I reckon everything came together. Everything felt like it was running smoothly. I ran a 36, best time so far today. We've got one run left, so let's see how we go. All right, last run of the day. Everything's riding on this one. And yeah, we're not going to worry about that. So my best run of the day was the 4th run. I put down a 36.74, put me 3rd in class, which was really cool. Even if it is a class of 3, I don't care. I wasn't the slowest today. I'm really happy with the result. It's a good starting point. But we're at the bottom of the hill and we've got plenty of distance to climb. Let's see where this goes. My name's Josh. This is Swift Street, and thank you for watching. Oh, and just for a little treat, check this out.